Pretenders! Welcome to week 6, day 1. This week, we're starting something new. We're going to learn about patterns. Our focus for this week is K-Point 13. I can identify, describe, extend, create, and transfer repeating patterns. Phew! That's a lot to do this week, but we can do it. I love patterns. Our learning goal for today is I can identify patterns by recognizing the core of a repeating pattern. I think we've seen that word identify. Identify means to look, recognize. So we're identifying, so we're looking at patterns, recognizing patterns by the core of a repeating pattern. Keep those words in your brain because we're going to be using them a lot today, even all throughout the week. What is a pattern? Thinking of our learning goal for today, it says patterns. We can identify a repeating pattern. So repeat. What does the word repeat mean? Something that you can do over and over and over again. Have you seen patterns before? I have a pattern right behind me. It goes along with my fireplace. Let's see if we can identify some patterns that we might have seen before. Ooh, a snake. Look at the pattern that goes all along his body. What colors do you see? Yep, yellow and black. Yellow and black. Yellow and black, all throughout his body. So he has a pattern of yellow and black. Let's see. Ooh, a giraffe. The giraffe has different shapes all over his body or her body. And the colors are brown and white. And it repeats all up and down their body. What's this animal? Is it a zebra? Yep, and zebras have black and white stripes all over their body. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. So their stripes repeat. So a zebra has a pattern that repeats all over their body. How about this one? What are these? Right, these are stripes. You can see these in a crosswalk when you're crossing the street. Ooh, a brick wall. Kind of like the brick wall that I have. This one's red. Ooh, what's this? It's shiny, green. There's lots of different patterns all over. Could it be a leaf? Yes, look at the patterns on this leaf. On this side and that side. Ooh, look at these. What do you notice? Some of the lines are going this way. Some of them are going this way. But it repeats all over the picture. Something that you can find in the inside of a truck. Where could you find this? Right, on a sidewalk or on a roadway or somebody's driveway. You could see that while you're outside. So you have a pattern here and a pattern on the side. Look at all the patterns that repeat. So what do we need to remember about a pattern? Okay, keep that in mind. How can you identify a repeating pattern? Well, think about its name. What did we learn? That repeat means that you do something over and over and over again. So a repeating pattern should always repeat. Yep, should always repeat, just like its name. It always repeats the core. We saw that word in our learning goal today, the core. The core is the part of the pattern that repeats. Okay, so a repeating pattern repeats over and over again, and the core is the part that repeats. So let's look down here at the starfish and all the lovely colors. Let's see if this is a repeating pattern. Red, green, yellow, black, black. Green, yellow, blue, red, yellow. Did any of the colors repeat? The black did, but it didn't repeat over and over again. So this is not a repeating pattern. It's not even a pattern, it's just colors. So nope, we don't need that one. All righty, let's try this line. Okay, so I see butterflies, I see blue and yellow. Let's see if we can say this pattern. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue. Did this pattern repeat? I see the colors repeat. Let's see. It always repeats the core. Let's see if we can tell what part of this pattern repeated. Let's see, blue, blue. Now, is the next butterfly blue, blue? No. So this isn't the core by itself. Maybe it has something else with it. So blue, blue, yellow, yellow. Then blue gets to repeat. So the core of this pattern is blue, blue, yellow, yellow. Because look, it repeats here. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow. It did not repeat yet here if we had some more room to add yellow, yellow. So this is your core, the part of the pattern that repeats. Okay. Here is another pattern. What shapes do you see? Yep, circles. And the colors? How many colors do you see? Just 2. Let's say this pattern together. Yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. This pattern is a repeating pattern because the 2 colors repeated over and over again. So which 2 colors repeated? Right, the yellow and the green. It didn't go green, yellow, green, yellow. It repeated with yellow, green. Now, when you're trying to name the pattern, you start off with a letter. Okay, so the first part usually is the first letter in the alphabet, which is, right, A. And then the next part that's different, that's the next letter in the alphabet, which is B. So we can call this pattern an A-B pattern because first part was yellow and the second part is green. And then yellow repeats and then green repeats. So there's no other color in this pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B repeats throughout the whole pattern. So this is our core, and it repeats over and over and over and over again. Let's try another one. I see frogs. What color frogs? Blue and red. Let's say this one together. Blue, blue, red. Blue, blue, red. Blue, blue, red. Blue, blue. What would come next? Right, red. So what part of this pattern repeats? If you need, take your time. If you need to pause and think about it, you can do that and then unpause when you're ready. Okay, so the part that repeats, blue, blue, red, blue, blue, red. Blue, blue, red. Okay, so this part repeats here and here, not yet here, ran out of space. So what could we name this pattern? We have two of the same of the first part and then one different. So A, you got it. It's an AAB pattern and it repeats. AAB, AAB, AA. The next one would be B. This pattern, which is blue, blue, red, just like the core, repeats. So AAB, and it repeats again. AAB. Not yet here because we're missing the red. Okay. Ooh, ladybugs. How many colors do you see? Yep, 3 colors. Let's say it together. Yellow, red, red, blue. Yellow, red, red, blue. Yellow, red, red, blue. Alrighty, so we had 3 colors. How could we name this one? Remember, it's based off of the core, so that's the part that's repeating. How can you name it? Or where should you name it? Should we name it here in the middle? It does repeat. Okay. Usually your course starts at the beginning because you're looking for a repeat of the same part. Alrighty, so our core is yellow, red, red, blue, because then we repeat it with yellow, red, red, blue again. So this first part is, if we're naming it, A, B, B, because these two are the same, right? Then this one is different than A and B, so this one would be the next letter in the alphabet, which is, right, C. So this is our core, and we have an A, B, B, C pattern. And it repeats again here, A, B, B, C, A, B, B, C. Great job. All righty, so for our practice set today, you're going to need paper, pencil, crayons. If you did not get a chance to print out your practice set, you're definitely going to need your paper so you can show your work. Pause this video so you can grab your materials so you'll be ready. We're going to practice one together. It says, look at the patterns in each box. Circle the core of each repeating pattern. These directions tell me that we're looking for a repeating pattern because that's what we worked on. And we're looking for the core. And the core is the part that repeats over and over again. Let's look in this first box. I see circles and squares. Let's name this. Let's read out this one first. Yellow, red, red, yellow, red, blue, blue, yellow, red, red. Hey, where'd the blue come from? We started off with yellow and red, so I thought we would continue on. So is this a repeating pattern? No, because the blue doesn't belong. Let's try this one. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. This is a color pattern. So what part in the color pattern repeats over and over again? Right. Green, blue. This is the part that repeats. So we found the core of this repeating pattern. So do we need this one any longer? Nope. Don't need this one anymore. Look at this one. I see butterfly, ladybug, ladybug, butterfly, ladybug, ladybug, butterfly, ladybug, ladybug, butterfly. Then penguin, penguin, starfish, penguin, penguin, starfish, starfish, penguin. Which one in the box is the repeating pattern? Right. So you're going to work on this one and this one on your own. I see frogs, shapes, ladybugs, and starfish in this one. Remember, you're going to circle the core of each repeating pattern. Now, if you don't have it printed, you can use your crayons to draw the colors and show it by the colors, and then circle the core of the pattern you drew. All right, so we are working on patterns. Today we identified patterns by recognizing the core, which is the part that repeats over and over again of a repeating pattern. Work on your practice set. I can't wait to see how your thinking went. Have fun, stay safe, bye.